This weekend, we set out on a camping trip. Something to just disconnect and have a little fun and just escape the problems of the everyday life.
Love you, buddy.
We made coffee, which was amazing.
Rough night. Look at that hairdo.
Cheese.
Cooked breakfast over a fire, cooking pancakes, eggs, and just explored the campground.
Good morning.
Boop.
Coffee ready?
Yeah, I made a cup already.
Oh, okay.
I'm on it, sir. I'm on pancake duty now.
Daddy got more sticks.
A little egg patty.
See, Dad, a bunch of sticks. She needs all the.
We have to wait for the eggs to put hot sauce on the eggs. It's chili. Whenever Daddy makes it.
I want more syrup.
But you have to.
I'm gonna catch.
Right, you don't need batteries.
New profile pic. After breakfast, we played some badminton. Is this badminton? Which one's with the birdie?
That's how it works. You can put on the bat and you do that.
Justin, play ball with Journey.
Jump on the opportunity.
No, I wasn't that interested. I'm not interested in spectrum that much either. I do real.
No lowering that.
You want me to put your chair over here? You want to put your chair over here so you can watch it?
After we went back and forth, we decided to go walk around. Now this campground is conveniently surrounded by a giant phosphate pit, and it's crystal clear, beautiful water. Now I will say we did not plan to go swimming at the time of recording this video. We were in the phosphate pit at like 11:30 in the morning, and we were there for, I would say, a good hour playing around. And what you can't tell in the footage is the water was freezing cold. But once you got in, the water was cold and refreshing, and we had a great time.
Now why'd you jump in? It had to get the
Oh, dude, it is so cold.
Dad will get out!
Alright, he's fine. He knows how to swim.
Okay, buddy, no, we're not doing that, okay? You have to have a life
Stay right there, bud. Oh, look at those pockets. Look at those pockets. They're like little floaties. Yeah, you have to get in the water first. See, it's the water.
You can feel it on your feet, how cold the difference is.
You like that? Look, hold on to my hand. Now look, he's swimming!
Whoa.
Good to me.
Like 10 more degrees hotter. It does feel
Dad,
good
your butt's
now.
in my way. Excuse me.
Yep.
First time. See how many more. Take it off.
Oh my gosh! Why?
Journey. Look at you, girl.
Hi, little swimmer, Jerry. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? Why did I? Why at least he swam? Dad, he swam without a life jacket. He went swimming.
Go, Journey. And this is where we ended our night. We walked back to the campsite, got a quick shower, and enjoyed a nice meal together as a family.
You need a spaghetti scooper.
Dirty, I have it.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I guess you park outside.
We're showing heavy rain, 20%. By noon, it's 0. So it shows heavy rain at 7 o'clock.